Best drones. Are you looking for the best drones? In this video we will look at some of the best drones on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. DJI Flip. Take your aerial photography and flying experience to the next level with the DJI Flip, a compact and versatile drone designed for beginners, hobbyists, and photo/video enthusiasts alike. Weighing just 249 g, the Flip is lightweight enough to fly without FAA registration, while its integrated propeller guards and forward obstacle sensors provide peace of mind during every flight. The DJI Flip offers multiple control options. Fly with the included dedicated remote controller, connect via your smartphone app, or use on-aircraft controls for a flexible, intuitive experience. Its camera is engineered to capture stunning visuals with 4K 60 video and high-resolution stills at 12MP or 48MP, giving you professional quality results in a compact package. The Flip supports both JPG and DNG, RAW, formats, perfect for photographers and editors looking to enhance images in post-processing. Video creators will appreciate the flat D-Log-M profile, which allows precise color grading and exposure adjustments. Whether you're just starting out, flying recreationally, or looking to explore aerial photography, the Flip adapts to your needs. Its lightweight, foldable design makes it easy to carry, and the robust camera system ensures impressive results every time. With internal and microSD storage options, 1080p live video feed, and integrated gimbal stabilization, you'll capture smooth, detailed footage effortlessly. Specifications: dimensions 3.1 by 11.0 by 9.2 and a weight 8.8 ounces. Rotors for a camera, 48MP of video, 4K media, internal/micro SDXC, remote, app or dedicated with LCD. Number 2. DJI Mini 3. Discover the perfect entry-level drone for fun and creativity with the DJI Mini 3, a compact and versatile aerial companion designed for hobbyists, content creators, and licensed pilots alike. Weighing just 249 g, the Mini 3 is lightweight enough to fly without FAA registration, requiring only a quick online knowledge test. Its compact design and foldable arms make it easy to carry wherever your adventures take you. Capture stunning visuals with the Mini 3's high-performance camera. Record 4K 30 video in either landscape or vertical orientation, ideal for YouTube, TikTok, or social media content. The 12MP sensor supports JPG or RAW DNG photos, while f1.7 optics excel in low-light conditions like dawn and dusk. The camera also features a 60-degree upward tilt, giving you creative perspectives that are impossible with most entry-level drones. Safety is built in with GPS stabilization, Find My Drone functionality, and Return to Home, keeping your flights worry-free. Licensed pilots can take advantage of remote ID, making the Mini 3 suitable for commercial use, including monetized content creation or real estate photography. Flight times reach up to 38 minutes on a standard battery, with an optional 51-minute extended battery for longer missions. Specifications: dimensions 2.4 by 3.5 by 5.7 and a weight 8.8 ounces. Rotors for a camera, 12MP of video, 4K media, micro SDXC, remote, dedicated with app or LCD, live video feed, 1080p. Lightweight, portable, and packed with creative tools, the DJI Mini 3 makes capturing breathtaking aerial footage easier than ever. Number 3. Potensic Atom 2. Experience professional quality aerial footage without breaking the bank with the Potensic Atom 2, a lightweight, versatile drone designed for beginners, hobbyists, and licensed pilots alike. Weighing just 249 g, the Atom 2 avoids FAA registration requirements, making it easy to take off right out of the box. Despite its compact size, this quadcopter delivers impressive performance, combining high-resolution imaging, stable flight, and user-friendly controls. The Atom 2 features a 4K 30 camera mounted on a 3-axis gimbal for smooth, steady video. Capture stunning stills at 12MP or 48MP, with the option to shoot RAW DNG files for photographers who want full control over editing. Its dedicated remote control provides precise flight handling, while the 32-minute battery ensures you have plenty of time in the air to get the perfect shot. Ideal for beginners, the Atom 2 offers a reliable, easy-to-fly experience. While it lacks obstacle avoidance, careful piloting lets you safely explore and capture beautiful scenery. Recreational flyers benefit from its lightweight, portable design, making it a fun choice for casual adventures. For licensed pilots, the Atom 2 is one of the few 249G drones equipped with built-in remote ID, enabling safe and legal commercial use, from real estate photography to monetized video content. Specifications: dimensions, 2.3 by 3.5 by 5.6 in a weight, 8.8 ounces, rotors, for a camera, 48 MP of video, 4K media, microSD remote, dedicated with app live video feed, 1080p. With its combination of portability, powerful imaging, and remote ID compliance, the Potensic Atom 2 is an exceptional choice for anyone looking to take flight and capture stunning aerial content. Number 4. DJI Neo. Capture effortless selfies and stunning landscape clips with the DJI Neo, a lightweight, portable drone designed for beginners, casual flyers, and social media enthusiasts. Weighing just 4.8 ounces, the Neo is compact enough to fly without FAA registration and features built-in propeller guards for safe launches and landings, even from the palm of your hand. Its user-friendly design makes it perfect for anyone new to drones or looking for a hassle-free flying experience. The DJI Neo records smooth, steady 4K video and 12 MP stills, providing crisp, shareable content for your social media channels. With automated flight paths and simple on-drone controls, you can capture selfies and cinematic shots without needing a remote or complicated setup. For more advanced control, the Neo can also be flown manually via smartphone app, or with a dedicated remote, sold separately, for longer range and tactile flight handling. Ideal for recreational pilots, the Neo's compact design and intuitive operation make it easy to take anywhere and enjoy stress-free flights. Beginners will appreciate its automated safety features, while selfie enthusiasts can grab quick videos with minimal setup. While professional pilots may find the video profile basic and remote ID absent, the Neo delivers excellent performance for its price, offering fun, portability, and high-quality visuals in a small package. Specifications: dimensions, 1.9 by 5.1 by 6.2 in a weight, 4.8 ounces, rotors, for a camera, 12 MP of video, 4K media, internal, remote, smartphone/tablet app, live video feed, 1080p. Compact, safe, and easy to fly, the DJI Neo is the perfect companion for quick selfies, scenic shots, and fun aerial adventures. Number 5. DJI Avata 2. Step into the pilot's seat with the DJI Avata 2, an FPV drone designed to deliver heart-pounding aerial adventures while keeping beginner pilots in mind. Unlike standard camera drones, FPV drones put you directly in the cockpit through ultra-low latency goggles, allowing you to navigate tight spaces, perform flips, barrel rolls, loops, and vertical plunges with precision. The Avata 2 brings this thrilling experience to a wider audience by combining ease of use with high-performance capabilities. Capture stunning video at 4K per 60 frames per second or 2.7K per 120 frames per second, perfect for documenting breathtaking stunts or immersive POV content for social media. Its motion-sensitive controller allows beginners to fly confidently, with quick braking in midair hovering to prevent crashes. While automatic obstacle avoidance isn't included, the intuitive controls make high-speed maneuvers more forgiving than traditional twin-stick FPV drones. The included goggles feature dual micro OLED displays, delivering a crystal-clear live feed that immerses you in flight. Adjustable eyepieces and diopter correction make them comfortable for users with varying eyesight, while interpupillary distance settings ensure a perfect fit. For advanced pilots seeking more extreme stunts, the DJI Remote Controller 3 is available as an optional add-on, unlocking full manual control for daring dives and complex maneuvers. Specifications: ultra-low latency FPV feed 4K per 60 frames per second or 2.7K per 120 frames per second video, motion-sensitive controller, micro OLED goggles with IPD and diopter adjustment, optional DJI Remote Controller 3, compact, agile, high-speed flight. The DJI Avata 2 offers an exhilarating, immersive FPV experience with accessible controls, making it the ultimate choice for adrenaline-fueled drone enthusiasts.